Hey guys, so today you're gonna come with me to Ikea because it just opened up in my city. I'm so excited. It opened up yesterday and I'm really happy we wanted to go yesterday, but I'm happy that we didn't because apparently there was like huge lines and people had to go on like the shuttle to get there and stuff because the parking lot was packed and it has like a parking garage too, so there must have been a ton of people there. So hopefully it's not as bad today. So I'm so excited and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So I just have this flowy dress because I'm obsessed with floral dresses, and I have my Adidases, I don't know, and then I have this bralette, and I have these cute little heart earrings that say love on them, and some necklaces, and just some like random little rings and stuff like that. So I actually love this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is the perfume I'm wearing. Older versions of you guys. Dad, doesn't this look like the off-brand version of you guys? Here, hold on. Just like pose like that. Okay. Doesn't that look like them? Oh. Cute. Have some butter for our soup.